Health benefits of foxnuts. Foxnuts, also known as lotus seeds or Makhana, are the seeds of the lotus flower, Euryale ferox. These seeds are commonly used in Asian cuisine, especially in Indian and Chinese dishes. Foxnuts offer various health benefits, making them a nutritious addition to your diet. Some of the key benefits include nutrient-rich, packed with essential nutrients, low-calorie, ideal for calorie-conscious diets, high antioxidants, fights oxidative stress, anti-inflammatory, reduces inflammation in the body, heart-healthy, supports cardiovascular well-being, blood sugar regulation, aids in maintaining stable levels, weight management, promotes a sense of fullness, gluten-free, suitable for gluten-sensitive individuals, kidney support, traditional belief in potential benefits, consultation advised. Seek professional advice before dietary changes.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Cook Up Helping Home.